Sumari natin. Parang asan mo? Asan mo? Yan. Bumili ka naman.
Hi, friend, thank you for the friend. I'm attending me here in the earth.
Ano ba tinakpan nila ba ako? Paano ko rin makakakita? Ma, si Ivan. Hello po. Ay, tita. Mati.
Hi.
Good morning. Okay lang po kayo. Okay lang, ma. Tita, baka ginigin ang suot mo. Ito talaga. Ano jacket? Jacket. Excuse me. Ma, si Deo nga pala. Si Greta, si Gazel. Okay po. Si Andrew. Best to know, ikaw po. Si Deo.
Sa apartment, isang anak ang nangulila sa kanina.
I want to see my mom, like, but I don't see them.
It's Ryan.
Hi, this is your mom.
Cold tea. My mom, when I'm done, you can take home my whole tea, she told me.
Ilang saglit pa'y naintindihan na rin ng housemates ang dahilan ng mga pagbisita. Mother's Day!
Today, Mother's Day.
Tomorrow. My mom really loves beer. Then I sleep together with her, she talk alone. What?
Ilang saglit pa'y magkahiwalay na binigyan ng class ni Kuya ang teen housemates na magkwento tungkol sa kanilang mga ina.
Six kami lahat. So, she doesn't have time for herself. Whereas she doesn't put makeup, she's simple. She's really the best because, like, binibigay niya lahat ng time para sa amin. She's really caring. I've learned a lot from her. I wanted to follow her footsteps.
Siya po ang ating nanay. When I was together with her, parang, yun na yan, parang ate mo, parang ganun lang. Tapos meron, hindi yan, ma'am. So parang ganun daw.
Can I watch a movie with your mom?
No.
Kahit ngayon, aminado ako, malaki na ako, pinakalo pa rin niya ako eh. Actually, kaya nga ako tumaba ng ganito dahil sa kanya eh. Kasi ayaw niya nung walang nakasubo sa bibig ko. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit.
Would you imagine a mom that plays PlayStation 3? Yeah, because she beats me all the time.
Wow.
No joke. Okay, so, you know, she's not my real mom. What are you gonna do if they ask about your real mom like that? And I said, what do you mean? You're my real mom. And then she started to cry, and then she hugged me, and then she said, that's all I ever really wanted, just to be close with you. And then we like cried together like that, hugging each other. Like,
My happiest moments with my mom are whenever she makes sinigang, lugaw or adobo.
Ilang saglit pa'y nagbahagi si Ryan ng nakakantig na pusong kwento.
I was really poor, really. But my CR is only really like this. House is really like poor because we have family problem, but I don't want to tell really. I'm a friend. And then she worked delivery. We are poor. She gave me a lot of money and I treat my friend on restaurant, but I paid. I treat you as a friend. I put up my friend. I ate in the restaurant, but my mom was washing the dishes. I felt so shy. But she didn't tell me about. She also worked like Yaya in my friend's house something. She worked a lot because of me.
Sa Sa ikalawang bahagi ng task, bubuo ng grupo ang mga teams na binisita ng kanilang ina. Gagawa sila ng presentasyon na bibigyan naman ng scores ng mga judges mula sa villa at apartment.
1, 2, 3, 4, who can we ask from our mothers? Our mothers! Who have been there ever since we never been to us since our mothers! Our mothers! Happy Mother's Day! Mother's Day!
Ano? May mga anak sa TV. Mga anak nila sa TV.
Nanay si Kyra, di ba?
Uy, di ba kayo nanay ni George at ni Ivor?
Yung pogi, oo. Wala kayo sa mama ko. Sa sobrang swerte nga. Ito na pinakaswerte sa buong mundo eh. Bro, anak ka mo.
They are the moms.
We are the children.
Children.
It's Mother's Day.
We love our moms, so let's start giving.
Let's start giving. There are
Oh, my mother gave me 1 peso. I bought 1 peso. Look, my girlfriend texted me. But I didn't reply to her because I have to say it. And I love you. I use the road to my mother, not my girlfriend. I love my mother. Yo, take it out.
Hey, it's Patrick!
Yo!
Your mom was so pretty. Big boy has a crush on her.
Yo, Lindsay!
What?
Your mom is so cute. She's cuter than you!
No way!
Yo.
Kiesel. Your mom's so hot. She's about goes the sun.
Cheers, hot!
Chicas. Yeah.
Ang nanalo para sa contest na ito ay sina Fritzy.
Ang mga winning housemates ay pinagkalooban ng Globe Tattoo Super Surf upang mapanood ang video messages ng kanilang mga mommy sa internet.
Galing talaga ng
Dahil unlimited for 24 hours ang Globe Tattoo Super Surf, isa-isang manood ang mga housemates.
Hello, Mac. Kumusta ka na dyan? Kumusta natin, sis? It's been to enjoy your life inside Kuya's house. Basta continue what you're doing. Alam kong mabuti kang tao, kaibigan. And I'm proud of you. Now I know the reason why I'm here. To support you every inch of the way. But don't forget to stay sa taas, sa mag-ingat ka, and then love you so much. Okay?
Pinagkalooban din sila ni Big Brother ng pagkakataon na mag-greet ang kanilang mga mommies.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you sa lahat. And thank you na proud ka sa akin. Sorry sa mga nagawa kong mali.
Hello, Christy, mami mo to. Kumusta ka na dyan? Kami okay na dito. Magsiwala ka dito, we still feel your presence. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi. Ask God for guidance and always pray to God. Good luck at mahal na mahal ka namin.
Mommy, Happy Mother's Day and thank you so much sa lahat ko. And then, I love you so much and ingat po dyan.
Hi, Pat. We miss you so much. I want you to know that we are so proud of you. Be a true friend to everyone and remember that you are there for a reason and not just to have fun. Don't forget to take your vitamins. Learn sa mga new friends mo. I love you, Shorty. Ingat.
Happy Mother's Day. I miss you. Every night ko pinagdadasal ko na safe kayong lahat dyan. Thank you po sa lahat, Ma. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Ngayong linggo, dalawang ina ang haharap sa isang kapilang hamon. Matanggap kaya ng mga anak ang pag-DH ng kanilang ina sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Abangan sa Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010, gabi-gabi sa ABS-CBN.